To come to places like this is a snapshot of where the community's at, what's important to them, what they love, what they don't like, and ultimately the direction of where Cardano needs to go.
I am so grateful to the Cardano Foundation for the amazing event that they've put on to bring us all together from all over the world to have that in-person party.
To come here was really worth it because basically the biggest projects, the most promising startups, and also big banks and institutions will cooperate with us because we have been here.